Day Say Kids. Simple sentences for children. Starting with I like to. I like to watch TV. I like to watch TV. I like to go church. I like to go church. I like to play volleyball. I like to play volleyball. I like to write stories. I like to write stories. I like to read books. I like to read books. I like to speak English. I like to speak English. I like to drive car. I like to drive car. I like to drink juice. I like to drink juice. I like to listen music. I like to listen music. I like to sing a song. I like to sing a song. Now it's your turn. Let's try to read. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.